Why is it called beauty sleep? When our body goes into a circadian rhythm during a sleep state, skin cells start repairing any damage that has been done throughout the day, increasing circulation, eliminating toxins, and improving cellular repair. The Dream Facial will help your body's largest organ, our skin, heal from the inside out by mimicking the benefits from a good night's sleep in one treatment. This leaves skin more hydrated, calm, and renewed, giving the skin that post-nap glow. Harness the power of high-performing ingredients like pre- and postbiotics and immune-boosting acids to unlock that rejuvenated skin from the inside out. It not only instantly hydrates, strengthens, and brightens skin, but it drastically helps regulate the skin's rhythm depending on what it needs to make it look and feel like it is fully rested. The Dream Facial is unlike any other protocol as it focuses on both the symptoms and how to address the root cause of fatigued and tired skin for a more rejuvenated and well-rested appearance instantly and over time. Awakened skin is just one treatment away. Just like you get ready for bed, skin also needs balancing and de-stressing. Double cleanse while activating acupressure points to wind down. For our skin to reap the benefits of a relaxing double cleanse, the effects of the day need to first be gently removed. Our Vitamin Veil Cleanser is paired with acupressure points to not only remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, but to provide a level of relief and relaxation to boost the overall glow and appearance in skin. The skin starts to go into a more relaxing and reparative state. Cranberry oil, which is rich in omega essential fatty acids, reduces inflammation and improves skin function. Sea buckthorn oil's rich palette of fatty acids helps repair and regenerate the skin, while infusing it with deep hydration. Acupressure points minimize puffiness while increasing blood and oxygen flow to the skin's surface, leaving both senses and skin stimulated and relaxed. Have a hard time relaxing? Acupressure provides instant tension and stress relief. Stimulating acupressure points enhances blood circulation, which allows for more moisture to penetrate the skin and increases oxygen levels and collagen production. These simple acupressure points will help wind down the mind and body so it can start to transition into a more relaxing state. Midway between eyebrows, apply mild pressure with index finger for 30 seconds. This stimulates the mass endocrine gland that can help improve skin texture and skin to rejuvenate. This point is located directly below each pupil and level with the lower border of the nose. Place index fingers on both points and massage for 30 seconds. This improves blood circulation through the face. On the forehead, one thumb width directly above the middle of the eyebrow, directly above the pupils. Use index fingers and hold for 30 seconds. This helps relax tense forehead muscles and provides tension relief. Here's why it's important to wind down skin before a treatment to maximize results. For skin to maximize the benefits of a treatment, it must be cleansed and calm to be able to fully absorb the active ingredients. When skin has any signs of inflammation, its first priority is to de-stress. A calming and cooling cleanse will not only prep the skin for the products following, but will decrease irritation and any inflammatory responses. A customized cleanser and mask are combined to create a soothing and calming cleanse. Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel is a foaming and non-irritating gel cleanser. This extract nourishes the skin with anti-inflammatory properties to reduce any redness and swelling. A powerful antioxidant complex from seaweed extract contains magnesium and zinc, calming and moisturizing the skin. This is a cooling and soothing mask. It helps to improve cellular defenses, cell detoxification, and repair. Snow algae is like beauty sleep for the skin. It stimulates your body to increase its cellular defense and energy system, improving skin structure and increases production of collagen. Spirulina extract is a rich source of protein that soothes and balances while nourishing skin, with essential microelements and vitamins. It enhances the skin's water-binding ability while infusing with antioxidants to de-stress. Skin is left cleansed, soothed, and rejuvenated. Probiotics are just as important for your skin as they are for your gut. Beauty sleep is imperative to maintaining a balanced microbiome. The microbiome of the skin is home to trillions of microorganisms that play a vital role in skin health. It helps fend off bacteria, boosts barrier function, and aids in immune defense. When the skin's microbiome is off, it can lead to inflammation and irritation, which is where our pre- and postbiotic Nourishing mask comes in. This mask feeds the good bacteria on the skin, while potentially deregulating harmful bacteria. Royal Tea is a custom blend of purple potato, purple rice, and purple tea with a probiotic to nourish the healthy bacteria, and also has a circadian time balancing function. Circin Blue protects against blue light and resynchronizes the circadian rhythm in keratinocytes, which are the primary cells in the outermost layer of the skin. When keratinocytes are synchronized, they form a stronger barrier against environmental damages such as UV rays, bacteria, and dehydration. Skin is left rebalanced and infused with antioxidants, leaving it nourished, soothed, and hydrated. Here's how melatonin affects your skin. Since skin regenerates while you rest and melatonin acts as an antioxidant, it's important to incorporate antioxidants to boost skin's renewing and protecting capabilities. Antioxidants help skin to repair by capturing that excess energy when the body is in a restful state. If skin isn't resting and the body is not producing melatonin, we must incorporate an infusion to mimic the effects of a full night's rest. Dream's antioxidant infusion starts with the aloe and calendula calming mist to promote healing while reducing inflammation. Aloe vera gel provides antioxidant qualities to defend skin from environmental stressors and a humectant hydrating agent. The antioxidant hero is the vitamin C reversal serum, which is an essential product to brighten, tighten, and regenerate with potent antioxidants and vitamins. This type of vitamin C is lipophilic or oil-loving, which improves penetration deeper into the skin. Vitamin C promotes deeper hydration and increases collagen production, all while infusing the skin with antioxidants to fight against environmental pollutants and decrease DNA damage. Skin is now on its way to repairing and renewing. Here's how to get that post-nap hydrated glow. When we rest, skin's temperature increases and becomes more acidic, making it more prone to transepidermal water loss. Skin can look dehydrated, flaky, and less plump. To replenish this water loss, an ultra-hydrating duo is applied to the skin to infuse with active emollients and fatty acids. The luxurious Hydrolox is critical to lock in moisture, providing a subtle sheen to the skin with a cocktail of antioxidants. It also helps in the delivery of nutrients and performance in other Circadia skincare products. Rice bran oil is full of natural lipids that mimic the skin's natural fats and contains a large percentage of fatty acids. It supports proper circulation while stopping the enzymes that destroy the skin's collagen and elastin. Aquaporin Hydrating Cream is combined with Hydrolox, which increases regenerative properties with a boost of emollients and collagen-stimulating properties. Diffuporin promotes the skin's inner hydration mechanisms and water movement from the basal layer to the stratum corneum. This improves barrier function and collagen synthesis. AquaBio promotes moisturization through a unique water distribution mechanism throughout the skin, restoring water retention in the dermis, and has long-lasting effects without having to reapply. Skin is left infused with moisture and anti-inflammatory botanicals for that plump and hydrated post-nap glow. Do you ever wonder why you wake up looking puffy? When resting, fluids can collect in the face, giving a puffy and tired look. This blue aventurine gua sha stone is used to promote blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, giving a lifted and toned look while reducing puffiness. Blue aventurine is known to promote inner calm and to have an anti-inflammatory effect, making this treatment even more dreamy. After applying Aquaporin and Hydrolox, the lymphatic system is opened so the face can properly drain. Start lower on the face and work the way up to forehead, ensuring each area is drained. Our lymphatic system is like a river. If there is a blockage downstream, the water cannot flow. Ensure you start lower on the face near the main lymphatic drainage points to keep the lymphatic system flowing. Find your favorite flow pattern, addressing under chin, neck, cheeks, and forehead, draining each time down the neck. Skin is less puffy, more toned and lifted. It's left infused with moisture and anti-inflammatory botanicals for that plump and hydrated post-nap glow. It's impossible to have a perfect sleep schedule, so how do you make your skin look like it does? When sleep schedules are out of sync, skin is out of sync. Skin has a harder time rejuvenating, eliminating toxins, and repairing cells. This can cause dullness, acne, fine lines and wrinkles, and skin to appear less smooth. The circadian time balancing mask with malachite is designed to resynchronize the circadian rhythm in the skin, bringing it back to its peak performance as if it got a full 8 hours of beauty sleep. Circadian is a groundbreaking active ingredient that fights the effects of skin damage when skin's circadian rhythm is out of sync. It helps regulate the skin's rhythm, dependent on what it needs. It quickly decreases puffiness and reduces oxidative stress from blue light exposure. Malachite complex is an active mineral extract rich in trace elements and copper, which detoxes the skin and boosts the skin's defense system. Skin is resynced and rejuvenated. Here's how to quickly depuff for tighter, more toned skin. When it's time to start awakening the skin, a cooling ice globe provides instant and sensorial benefits. Chilled ice globes first work to constrict blood vessels, which provide instant tightening and toning. Once the cool ice globes touch the skin, blood rushes away from the face, which decreases swelling and returns renewed, with new fresh blood cells and nutrients for a brighter, healthy glow. Glide and roll the globes over face in slow, gentle movements, moving upward and outward following the natural curvature of the face. Ice globes are gentle and will not bring any redness or irritation to the skin. They give instant results by utilizing key acupressure points along with the lymphatic system, increasing blood and nutrient flow, even in congested skin. Skin feels awakened, depuffed, and sculpted. Your eyes can look awake and refreshed even if you don't get a full night's rest. One of the first signs of not enough sleep in skin is tired eyes, puffiness, dark circles, hanging eyelids, fine lines, and wrinkles. To instantly look bright-eyed and well-rested, the delicate eye area should be treated with lifting, firming, and brightening ingredients. Once applied, Emergency Eye Lift instantly tightens and lifts the eye area while plumping fine lines and wrinkles, giving a refreshed appearance. Pentacare provides a tightening and firming effect while smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with a viscoelastic film. Microalgae extract immediately tightens the skin with a long-lasting effect that not only stimulates the formation of collagen but also acts as a protective shield against oxidative stress. Full Circle Eye Repair, Day or Night, has innovative peptide technology that inhibits muscular contraction while brightening and soothing the eye area. Argireline, a peptide alternative to Botox, inhibits the chemical messengers that trigger muscles used in facial expressions that can cause fine lines and wrinkles. Haloxyl are two peptides that work together to improve firmness and tone of the eye area, while activating the elimination of blood-originated pigments that are the culprits for dark circles and inflammation. Eyes appear more lifted and rested. Here's why your skin's immune system needs a power nap too. The beauty of a power nap is the immune-boosting benefits. It aids in the immune function recovery, bringing balance to the immune system. Skin is our body's largest organ and has its own powerful immune system. Keeping it healthy is the foundation of refreshed and glowing skin. Serum 71 has a powerful trio of acids and nutrients to brighten, tighten, and strengthen the skin. CM Glucan Forte rebalances the skin's immune system, just like a power nap, and is like a personal trainer to strengthen the skin barrier. It soothes any irritation and supports future healing. Neodermal is known as the needle-free collagen and elastin filler. It revitalizes aged fibroblasts and works as a pure source of energy to recharge skin's beauty. Skin's immune system is boosted and recharged, like it had 8 hours of sleep. Can the sun make you look more tired than you really are? For skin to fully awaken and take on the day, it needs to be protected. The skin is more susceptible to damage during the day, with exposure to higher levels of stress from UV radiation, and when put into a restful state, sensitivity and water loss can be accentuated, causing dehydrated skin. Our Light Day Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 37 will protect and prevent further damage to DNA proteins caused by UV exposure. Grape stem culture extract boosts UV protection and prevents premature aging, while a blend of antioxidants reduce skin sensitivity. Light Day SPF is fast absorbing, designed for daily use, and is extremely compatible for all skin types. Our post-peel balm contains a skin-identical lipid complex that increases the water-holding capacity and provides a semi-occlusive and protective barrier. Skin's barrier doesn't function properly without enough rest, so post-peel infuses the skin with squalane butter to reduce transepidermal water loss and increase antioxidant protection. Meadow Foam seed oil seals in moisture and helps balance skin's natural oil production for a more even complexion. Skin is left hydrated and protected with that post-nap glow. Overnight, skin's hydration decreases significantly, even on the lips. Lips need help maximizing their natural overnight rhythm to repair and protect. Our Lip Renewing Hydrator firms, smooths, and hydrates lips with collagen-boosting peptides and plumping hyaluronic filling spheres. Maxi Lip Sederma Peptide increases the density of connective tissue in the lips, restoring collagen and increasing lip moisture. Cranberry seed oil is nourishing and rich in fatty acids and other antioxidants, helping restore damaged skin and infusing with hydration. Lips are left plump and moisturized with a natural and youthful shine.